Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Marlo and today I'm going to pack 4 jewelry orders. I always love filming these and I hope you like to watch them as well. I think it's very satisfying to see packing videos. It's just very relaxing and yeah, like to show you how all my jewelry orders also get the cute decorated envelopes now. So I thought it would be fun to show those as well. So yesterday was my birthday and um yeah, it was on a Thursday, so I couldn't see my boyfriend or anything. So that's always a little bit sad, but I knew that. Um, but I did go to a pole dancing class in the night with my best friend, and it was so much fun. Like my arms are noodles right now, but it was so cool. I've never felt so strong before because it's really um you know you have to be really strong to do all those things, and it just felt really good to be able to do some of them. And now I'm thinking about going like every week, so I might do that because it's just a really great sport and I love dancing again. And yeah, it's so cool. I was like hanging upside down and standing on my head, like all these crazy things that I would never do if it wasn't for that pole class. So yeah, I'm I'm excited for it. So yeah, that's how I spend my birthday. And then today I'm going to see my boyfriend. So I'm very curious to see his gifts because he's very bad at keeping his gifts. Every time I see him, he's like, "Do you want your birthday gift now?" And I'm like, "No, I don't want it now. I want it on my birthday." And then he keeps like asking me, "Can I please give it to you?" And I keep telling him, "No, please don't give it now because it will feel like I don't have a birthday gift." You know what I mean? Um, so it was very hard for him to keep it hidden, but I'm very curious to see what it is. He's very excited about it, so I'm sure it's very cute. So yeah, I hope you guys like to see how I pack these orders. I also have a birthday video coming up. It's just kind of like a little vlog with opening mail and showing all the presents I got. I just think it's fun to make a video like that for me as well, for later in the future to see um, what was going on in my life. And yeah, so that one's coming up as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, you can always leave them below. I really want to make content that you guys actually like. Um, but also like content that I like, of course. But yeah, so I've been selling my earrings on Vinted again, so the earrings are going better again, and that makes me very happy. I've gotten a lot more orders recently, so I really hope that all these customers, if they return to my shop, so my shop can grow a little. That would be lovely. And for now, it's working great like this. I've gotten very positive reviews on the packaging, so that makes me very happy. So I also got the last 5 books from the PLL series, and I'm so excited. I read them over the course of a few years, but last summer I finished a lot of them in a row, just sitting in my backyard, tanning, drinking a beer, listening to music, reading Pretty Liars is just a vibe. And I decided that I was not going to buy the last few books. And this year I decided I do wanted to buy the few last books because why not, you know? But these ones are actually hardcover and the other ones were paperback. So that means I can turn them into journals after I'm finished reading them. And that's like a whole new world for me. Like I can make Pretty Liars books. Hello. Journals, I mean. So I think I will do that because if there's anything in this world that has shaped me to the person that I am today, is that freaking show. I'm currently watching it for the 10th time. I'm sure I've already mentioned that because my personality is just the shows I'm currently watching. Oh, by the way, I'm currently watching 6 Feet Under because I wanted to see more things with Dexter's actor in it because I'm kind of obsessed with him. And he's in it, so yay for me, I guess. Yeah. And of course, I'm watching Euphoria and seeing a million TikToks about it every day. yeah. So yeah, I should really finish my journal from last year. Um, Kinda like putting that aside until I feel like doing it. Just always just finishing it up. It's just like you want to make it perfect, right? You want to add all the cute things in the world and just have no empty pages left. But there are just a lot of pages in this journal. I think in like journal for this year, I have made less pages because of that reason. I'm not sure. I didn't count them or anything. I'm kind of like a just go with the flow, like making a journal. Just go ahead, make a journal. But yeah, I did kind of redo my room a little, like a tiny bit. So if you guys like it, I could do a new room tour. It's not like things are that different. I didn't paint any walls or anything, but I am very much looking for a house to move out and to move in with my boyfriend. So yeah, I do want to, at least make a final room tour before I move. I don't have a house yet. I have no idea how long it's going to take, but I do kind of feel like nostalgic for like making that video because I have been in this room for so many years, like since I was 5. So that is a long time. So we are going to do a second room tour just because of the vibes. And my room has changed a bit. It's less minimalistic and more vibey, I would say. Yeah, but it's kind of messy right now. So I don't know when that will be, when the time is right, but at least let me know if you actually want to see that. So yeah, that helps me out with choosing my content. So yeah, I hope you like watching this video. I love the little jewelry I sell and the packaging I make and writing the cards and adding my business card and just decorating the envelopes is so much fun. By the way, you don't see that in this video because I pre-decorate them all in one sitting, and then I put them with my like jewelry, and then I can just grab an envelope if I sell something. It's a really like efficient way to always have cute packaging but not always need the time to decorate an envelope. So yeah, if you want me to do a decorating video, we can do that as well. It's a little bit repetitive, but it could be fun, so let me know. And I wanted to thank you all so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can also check out my Instagram. It's Mae Journals Low Bar. If you want to check out my jewelry and my other things, you can check out my shop on Instagram. It's Mae Journals Shop. And if you would like to support me and receive Happy Mail from me, you can sign up for my Patreon, patreon.com/Mae Journals. And you can choose between different tiers. It's really fun. You get extra videos every month and a lot of lovely mails. So yeah, anyways, thank you all so much, and I would love to see you next time. Bye.